The Corporation of the City of Panjim, which was recently in the news for a change in hem of affairs, has also come under scanner from the Comptroller and Auditor General of India for dubious financial management and inefficient tax collection. The CAG report has cited that the corporation failed to collect house tax areas amounting to Rs 5.47 crore as on 31st March 2010. CAG has also indicted CCP for not initiating any action against the defaulters. The report observes the CCP collected only about 50% of the house tax that should have been collected, noting that the areas of house tax, including interest as of 31st March 2010, was around Rs 5.47 crore. Out of the total 5.47 crore, an amount of Rs 1.13 crore belongs to 60 chronic defaulters who have resulted in areas ranging from 5 to 21 years. The CCP had stated in September 2011 that efforts were being made to recover the pending taxes by serving bills and demand notices, and the task had been given to a recovery officer. However, the CAG report bluntly notes that the CCP, despite all its statements, never initiated any action on an e-defaulters as provided in the CCP Act. Another revelation made by the CAG report is that the long list of defaulters include two government organizations, Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation and the Kala Academy, which collectively owe the CCP an amount of Rs 62.38 lakh, and the Kala Academy has never paid any house tax since its inception. The CCP had brought it to the notice of the government of Goa in May 2010 that Kala Academy owed Rs 38 lakh to the corporation. However, the government of Goa did not respond on the issue. The CAG report has recommended action to rectify the deficiencies in the maintenance of house tax registers and setting up of mechanism to detect and check defaulters. Even as the CCP undergoes changes in political setup following the assembly elections, changes in its tax collection mechanism are yet to be implemented.